We want to become successful and rich overnight. You kidding me? Is it possible? Well, I should say yes and no. What? Make it clear, man. With this mindset that I'm gonna teach you in this video, it is possible. In fact, everybody wanna become successful, rich in his career, business, studying, everything overnight. In this video, I'm not gonna sell you any dream. I'm not gonna sell you fantasy. I'm not gonna say, yeah, invest on Bitcoin or other shitcoin to get rich overnight or win lottery. I'm not gonna teach you how to earn money through bets or casino or do illegal work or find an old lady and get married to her. No, I'm not gonna teach you. I will bring some real examples, also my own experience from the people who became successful overnight. First of all, I'm not a millionaire, but due to my job, which is real estate, I have talked to many millionaire and billionaire clients. Ask them how we can get rich, how we can become successful person. I'm gonna share their opinion and their mindset to you in this video. If you have some general knowledge about sport and Olympic, you definitely know this guy, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt became successful and super rich in just 9 seconds. Yeah, you know why, because he could run and he got the gold medal in Olympic and he became successful and rich. But the point is, for that 9 seconds, he tried many years. This is the main concept of this video. For getting rich overnight, you should try for years. Not only in sports, in business, studying, in career, in job, programming, developing. No matter you are chef, no matter you are programmer, if you want to become overnight successful person, you must try so hard for many years. If you have read Compound Effect book by Darren Hardy, which I really recommend it to read, it completely can change your life and change your mindset. You can understand what am I talking about. And if you haven't read, I will give a quick summary. The Compound Effect book says, if you try doing most insignificant and tiny works for long period of time, miracle will happen. Also, there's another shortcut to become successful faster than you think. And it's this, using other people's experience, which I have created another video and I will put it here, somewhere here, and you can watch that video also later after this video. In that video, I explained as a person from poor family how you can start your own business. But for now, the point is this, you should connect to successful people in your own field, in your own area. If you want to do real estate, go and work for a, I don't know, real estate company owner. Try to get connected to him. Try to work for him, even for free. If you are a programmer, go and find a company and do internship and work for free for them. Try to collaborate and cooperation with very professional programmer. Do some of his tasks. Put aside your vanity. Let me give you an example from my own experience. I joined real estate company. The company owner was rich guy. Yeah, truly was rich guy. He taught me many things. I worked for him for 2 years. And over these 2 years, I had so many deals, small, medium, but I couldn't earn good money. I just had small saving and nothing was good until I could close very massive deal. And you can't imagine the commission that I got. That deal was more than 5 or 6x of the money that I had earned for that 2 years. It was like miracle. I couldn't even sleep during the night. I was like, oh my God, that was amazing. How could I close that deal? When I talked to the real estate owner about this matter, and I said, I was stupid because I could work for these kind of properties, then I could earn more money. But he said very important thing. He said, if you hadn't closed that small deals, you wouldn't be able to close this big deal and earn this amount of money. And also, his experience and his skills helped me a lot, because if I wanted to do it by myself, it would take definitely maybe 4 or 5 years more than that. But with his help and his experience, I could do it in just 2 years. And damn, it was like overnight success for me, overnight getting rich. However, I did very big financial mistakes, which I'm gonna create another video about it later, and I will put it here. So make sure watch it later and don't do the same mistake. Unfortunately, I lost all the money. Another example was one of my clients who started a startup about fire trucks. I don't really exactly know what he was doing with the fire trucks, but it was very interesting. He trying to improve the technology of fire trucks. First of all, he didn't have any clients and he was struggling, but he didn't give up. He tried to improve his skills and his expertise, and suddenly he could close an agreement with the government to improve 700 fire trucks, and this deal was very super big for him. Yeah, we found another industrial property, the bigger one. We rented and started working on it, and he became rich. Also, another example from my own friend. He's a forex trader. He was struggling with profit, loss, call margin, profit, loss, call margin. He was struggling for 4 years or 5 years, but he didn't give up also. But over a night, he could earn a lot of money. He could cover all his losses. When I was talking to him, he said, man, I really tried for 4 years. He told me that I was about to cut off the forex and give up, but he said, I lost all my money. The thing that I had was $2. Then he worked, he thought, and he found a strategy, and he turned $2 to $100 in just, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. And he started doing this exact same thing over and over again. It was another example. If you want this, I can bring him to the video and I can record a video with him also. There are so many other examples that I'm not gonna talk about them. Important point is this. Please level up your skills, your expertise, improve your quality of product, of services, and wait like a hunter. Wait for your chance and opportunity. Like a sniper, like a hunter. And when you got the chance, please don't miss your shots. Catch it as fast as you can, because if you say, okay, forget about this one, we will do it for the next opportunity. Maybe next opportunity will appear 4 or 5 years later, and it would be very hard to struggle another 4 and 5 years. So these days, AI, social media, YouTube itself, Instagram, TikTok, drop shipping, Amazon, print on demand, all kind of online businesses are accessible now, are wonderful opportunities to get your chance. Please, I beg you, do not postpone them. Do not think that, yeah, this will continue forever and ever. You have no idea about the future. So grab your opportunity and start working now, right now, to be among the 1% successful people. So if you have business or you are in your career and you have no idea about how to get ahead of 99% of the people and businesses, I have created another video here about this matter. Make sure watch it. It has very useful tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.